Hello, Sabera. Thank you for your question about guide words. I'm going to try to explain with this video. I hope that it helps you. I'm looking at the PowerPoint that you can find in 10 steps under Chapter 1 Dictionary Use. The same information is also in your textbook. Essentially, guide words are just two words that are at the top of every page in a dictionary. And those guide words tell you the first and last words that are found on the page. Okay, let me give you let's go to the next slide and then I'll give you another example. So in this example that you see here, at the top of the page, you see two words, armful, arsenic. All that is the first and last word that are on the page of the dictionary. Okay, so this blue one, this one that's circled in blue, the first guide word, that's the first word on this page, armful. And the red one, the circled one here, that's the second guide word. That's the last word on the page. And if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see it over there. And most dictionaries the words are arranged in columns like this. Let me try to show you an example of another dictionary page to give you an idea. Here's an example of another page. And you see at the top of this, you see two words, categorize, causeway. And you see there's a little dotted line before them. And you also notice that they're in bold, black bold letters. Those are the guide words. All that means is categorize is the first word on this page. You see it right there, categorize. And causeway is the last word on this dictionary page. And if I scroll down a little, because we can't quite see the whole thing, there you see it at the bottom, causeway. Okay, now we can also see that not all of the information about causeway is on this page. There's a little bit that goes on to the next page. But nevertheless, causeway is the last word on the page. So that's all that guide words are. They basically are just two words at the top of each dictionary page. And they tell you what is the first word and what is the last word on that page. Why is that important? It is important because all of the words in the dictionary are listed alphabetically according to the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, and so it would be impossible to just guess where a word was, right? And so they're listed by the alphabet. And so if you're looking for a word and it would not fall alphabetically between these two guide words, then you know you need to go to another page. Essentially, it saves you time by guiding you. Okay, so for example, on this page, I know that words that start with CAT and then E are going to be here. Okay, now look at, for example, this word here, catfish. See, that's C-A-T-F. That makes sense because C-A-T-F would come after C-A-T-E because in the alphabet, F comes after E. Does that make sense? Okay, so let me go back to the PowerPoint again. All right, and let's look at the example here. All right, it says which word below would be found on the dictionary page with the guide words armful and arsenic. So we know that the first word on the page is going to be armful, and the second one is going to be arsenic. So we know that all the words on this page are going to start with AR. But then it's going to be between ARM and ARS. Okay? Any of the words that are in between those could be words that start with MF all the way up to words that start with S after the R. Okay? So for example, allow is not going to be on this page because AL, the letter L, comes before the letter R in the alphabet. So allow is going to be somewhere earlier, a few pages earlier than anything on this page. Okay? ART, okay, the word art is not going to be on this page because the last word on this page is ARSE. Well, ART is going to come after ARS because T comes after S. So that means only aroma could fit because ARO, O comes between M and S in the English alphabet, right? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So aroma is the word that's going to be found on this page. Does that make a little bit of sense? I hope so. So basically all that Guidewords are is just these two words. Okay, it says a pair of words. That just means two words at the very top of the page. Okay, and that they are telling you what the first word on the page is and what the second word on the page is. That's all it is. Okay? And the reason they're there is to guide you alphabetically. If you know your word that you're looking for doesn't fit between those two, you don't even need to look at that page. You got to go find another page. All right, so I am going to include a video for you from YouTube that gives some more examples of guide words. And if you have any trouble with alphabetical order, I will see if I can find anything about that for you as well. Okay, I hope this helps you very much. Svera, it was a good question. And I wish you luck. Thank you.